Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Slides for meetings step by step in 2026, so you can run clear, professional, and well-organized meetings with confidence. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to google.com. Click on the Sign In button in the top right corner, then enter your email address and password to log into your Google account. After logging in, click on the Google Apps grid icon and select Google Slides. When Google Slides opens, you can either open an existing presentation for your meeting or click the plus icon to create a new blank presentation. Allow the slide to fully load before you begin editing. Start by structuring your meeting slides. Create a title slide with the meeting name, date, and presenter details. For the agenda, add a new slide and list key discussion points so participants know what to expect. Keep text short and clear to maintain attention during the meeting. Next, design your slides for clarity. Use simple themes by clicking Slide and selecting Change Theme. Choose clean layouts with readable fonts and minimal colors. Avoid clutter so your audience can focus on the discussion. When adding content, use bullet points instead of long paragraphs. Insert charts or tables by clicking. Insert to visually explain data or progress updates. This makes meetings more engaging and easier to understand. For collaboration, click the Share button in the top right corner, add participant email addresses, and set permissions so others can view, comment, or edit the slides. This is useful for team meetings and live feedback. During the meeting, click Present to start slideshow mode. Use the presenter view to see your notes, upcoming slides, and a timer, which helps you stay on track. You can also use speaker notes to guide your talking points without showing them to attendees. If you're running a virtual meeting, share your screen in Google Meet or another video platform and present your slides smoothly. Use the laser pointer or highlight tool to focus attention on key points. After the meeting, save and share the presentation so attendees can review decisions and action items. That's how to use Google Slides for meetings step by step in 2026. Using clear slides improves communication and meeting efficiency. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next full